This dance is called Tequila Boom Boom. It's a 32 count, 2 roll, absolute beginner level line dance. Now there are a lot of mambo steps in this dance, so if you master these mambos, you'll have them. We're starting off on the right foot with a forward mambo step. So these are 1 and 2 count timing steps, so it's 3 steps to every 2 beats of music. So you're going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, bring the feet together. That's a forward mambo with the right foot leading. Now we're going to do a back mambo with the left foot leading. So we rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, bring the feet together. That is your back mambo step, left foot leading. Now a couple of side mambos. So yes, they go in all directions. So we're going to rock to the side on the right, recover the weight on the left, bring the feet together. That's a right-footed side mambo. Repeat that with the left foot. So rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, bring the feet together. A left side mambo. So we've covered all directions. Let's put it all together. Forward mambo off on that right. 7, 8. Mambo step. Back mambo. Side mambo. Side mambo. So hopefully you've got those steps. So into our next section, you're going to step the right to the side. Step the left beside the right. Chassé to the right. So again, these are 1 and 2 count timing steps. Side, close, side, right foot leading. So it's right, close, right. But it will be that slightly faster timing because that's 1 and 2 count. Just to finish this section off, we've got some more mambo steps, forward and backwards. So we're going forwards to start with, but we're leading with the left foot. So you're going to rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right, bring the feet together. A back mambo with the right foot leading. So rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left, bring the feet together. So that little section once more then. Travelling to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8. Side, close, right chassé, mambo step, back mambo. Let's add those 2 sections together. Right forward mambo to start. 7, 8. Mambo step, back mambo, side mambo, side mambo. Side, close, right chassé, mambo step, back mambo. Now we're going to effectively repeat that last section, but we're going to be travelling to the left. So we're going to step the left to the side, step the right beside the left. Chassé to the left. So remember, there's 1 and 2 count timing steps. Left, close, left. Mambo steps again, same as how we started the dance. Forward mambo with the right, so you rock forward on the right, recover the weight on the left, bring the feet together. Back mambo on the left, rock back on the left, recover the weight on the right, bring the feet together. So that last section then. Travelling to the left, left foot leading. 7, 8, side, close, left chassé, mambo step, back mambo. Let's add that to the top. Mambo step off on the right. 7, 8, mambo step, back mambo, side mambo, side mambo. Side, close, right chassé, mambo step, back mambo. Side, close, left chassé, mambo step, back mambo. to end the dance, we're going to shuffle forward. So again, these shuffle steps are these 1 and 2 count timing steps. So we're going to shuffle forward with the right to start with. So we step forward on the right, bring the feet together, step forward on the right. That is your right shuffle, right, close, right. Repeat with the left foot leading. So again, 1 and 2 count timing steps, left, close, left. So we're travelling forward with our shuffle steps. Once we've done that second shuffle, we're going to walk forward 4 steps, but you're actually going to make half a turn in this kind of circle. So you're going to walk forward, right, left, left. So you see I've made half a turn, I'm now facing the back wall. So 4 steps to make that turn. So that last section then, shuffling forward, right then left. So right foot leads, 7, 8, right shuffle, left shuffle, walk, 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 walk. End of dance when you get to that bit. So let's put it all together. Mambo off on the right. 7, 8, mambo step, back mambo, side mambo, side mambo, side, close, right chassé, mambo step, back mambo, side, close, left chassé, mambo step, back mambo, right shuffle, left shuffle, walk, 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 walk. So that is your dance. So it is a 2-wall dance, but the music is a bit faster. That is quite a bit faster. So we'll do the back wall, and then we'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls join each other, but we'll also speed it up a bit when we get back to the front wall. So here we go. Mambo off on the right. 7, 8, mambo step, back mambo, side mambo, side mambo, side, close, right chassé, mambo step, side, close, left chassé, mambo step, back mambo, right shuffle, left shuffle, walk, 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 mambo step, back mambo, side mambo, side mambo, side, close, right chassé, mambo step, back mambo, side, close, left chassé, mambo step, back mambo, right shuffle, left shuffle, walk, 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 walk. So hopefully you can see how the walls join each other, and you manage to keep up with that slightly faster wall at the front. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. It's actually quite a nice piece of music. So let's give it a go.
Sangre de toro, carta nevada, pina colada, tequila boom boom. Sangre de toro, carta nevada, pina colada, tequila boom boom. Tequila boom boom, tequila boom boom, tequila boom boom, tequila boom boom.
Mambo step, back mambo, side mambo, side mambo, side close, right chassé, mambo step, back mambo, side close, left chassé, mambo step, back mambo, right shuffle, left shuffle, walk, 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 mambo step, back mambo, side mambo, side mambo, side close, right chassé, mambo step, back mambo, side close, left chassé, mambo step, back mambo, right shuffle, left shuffle, walk, 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 mambo step, back mambo, side mambo, side mambo, side curve, side chassé, mambo step, back mambo, side curve, left chassé, mambo step, back mambo, right shuffle, left shuffle, walk, 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 mambo step, back mambo, side mambo, side mambo, side curve, right chassé, mambo step, back mambo, side curve, left chassé, mambo step, back mambo, right shuffle, left shuffle, walk, 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 mambos,
Aquí se dan las fiestas, la bebida con secuelas del cardiólogo.
side curves,
Sangre de toro, carta nevada, pina colada, tequila boom.
side curves,
Sangre de toro, carta nevada, pina colada, tequila boom.
shuffles,
Tequila boom boom, tequila boom boom, tequila boom boom, tequila boom boom.
mambos,
Se baila, aquí se dan las fiestas, la bebida con secuelas del cardiólogo.
side curves,
Sangre de toro, carta nevada, pina colada, tequila boom boom.
side curves, shuffles,
Sangre de toro, carta nevada, pina colada, tequila boom boom. Sangre de toro, carta nevada, pina colada, tequila boom boom. Pina colada, pura cerveza, tequila, tequila, boom boom boom. Pina colada, pura cerveza, tequila, tequila. ¿Te gusta la tequila? ¿Te gusta la cerveza? En casa mañana vamos a vivir fiesta. ¿Te gusta la tequila? ¿Te gusta la cerveza? En casa mañana vamos a vivir fiesta. Sangre de toro, carta nevada, piña colada, tequila boom boom. Sangre de toro, carta nevada, piña colada, tequila boom boom. Tequila boom boom, tequila boom boom. Tequila boom boom, tequila boom boom. Tequila boom boom, tequila boom boom.
love that one, hope you managed it too.